All right, let's talk about something exciting.
I just got my hands on the HP OmniBook X powered by Snapdragon X Elite.
And I am so ready to unbox this thing.
As someone who's always on the move, whether it's from one adventure to the next, I need something that can keep up with me.
Let's check it out.
Okay, what do we have here? First up, we got these super handy charging cable organizers.
I'm constantly packing and unpacking my bag, so keeping my cables organized on the go. Yes, please.
We have a cleaning spray to keep the screen looking sharp because who has time for smudges?
And a little Snapdragon X Elite keychain. I mean, it's the little things that make a difference that I can add to my gear. It's the small things. Oh, and we have a note here from Snapdragon. It says Snapdragon X series processors enable seamless productivity, rich creativity, and immersive entertainment experiences. Let's dive in. Here it is. Let's check it out. This is actually a nice Snapdragon X Elite laptop case too, so that's handy. Okay, first things first, this thing's lightweight. I am all about packing efficiently, especially when it comes to tech. And this is giving me all the right vibes. It's slim, sleek, and it feels like it's built for people on the go, just like me. Okay, let's talk about performance. Let's turn this bad boy on. This HP OmniBook X is powered by Snapdragon X Elite, which basically means it's super fast and can handle everything I throw at it. Whether that's video editing, planning projects,
or just browsing with a lot of tabs open.
And no fan noise. If you ever try to get work done in like a cafe or you're on a flight, you can know how annoying a loud computer can be. This, silent. Love that.
I'm really excited to use Copilot, which is an easy-to-use AI function that uses just a click of a button. You go right here and bam, it loads it. It loads it right here. Love that. I asked it some things to do in Seoul, South Korea, and it gives me 5 quick things. But something I think is even cooler is when you go to a website, you click a little button, and bam, here's Copilot. And I say generate page summary, and right away it's there. So I was browsing and now it shows me a quick summary of the web page.
Bright and early. Love that. And it's one of those things that you don't know you need until you have it. It's been really fun playing around with it. And that will for sure be a useful tool for me. And now it's also one of those things where I don't think I can live without it. Let's not forget to talk about the battery life. It's up to 26 hours. I can literally fly across the world, get work done. When I land, I still have battery. That's exactly the type of thing you need when you're hopping from one place to another and with no time to hunt for an outlet. I can stay focused, do my work, get my work done without worrying about finding some juice for the laptop. I'm all about being ready to go because I'm a person that lives in the moment, and this laptop fits in with that type of lifestyle. It's compact, lightweight, and powerful. Whether you're traveling or just working through different spots throughout the day. It's so easily. So if you're looking for something that combines power, portability, and some pretty serious AI features, the HP OmniBook X powered by Snapdragon X Elite is the one. And I am now excited to take it on all my adventures. Okay, and now I'm off to go see how this battery life actually sustains. Catch you later.